Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2012 Suzuki DR650 Dual Sport. This thing is in pretty much showroom condition, only 3,800 miles on this gorgeous gray DR650. Single cylinder, very torquey. It's got oil cooler, 5-speed transmission. It's got a rear luggage rack, hand guards. Come on by, make your dual sport dreams come true on this awesome 2012. Price to sell only $39.99. This thing is not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.